So to install Terraform, you can just go to terraform.io page. And here you can see that just few days back they have launched Terraform version 1.0, and we are going to use this version in our further tutorial. So to download Terraform version, there is one button called download CLI. Just click on that and it will give you option to install Terraform in different type of operating system. So you can install that on Windows, Linux and Mac. So I'm using Windows operating system, so I'm going to use 64-bit over here. So click on this and it will start downloading your Terraform zip file. I have already downloaded that file in my D drive location, Terraform and Terraform setup folder. Folder or path doesn't matter. You can give any name to that folder, or you can save that file in any path, C drive, D drive, or any drive. You can save that file. Okay. So once you downloaded that zip file, just right click on that and extract that file. I have already extracted that, and if I go to that folder, so I will get a terraform.exe. So let me copy this file in this particular folder, and I'm going to delete these two files. Now I have terraform.exe file inside my D drive, Terraform and Terraform setup folder. So once you have this, you can go ahead and open your system properties and then click on the environment variables. So you have to select either user variable or the system variable. So I'm going to select the user variable for now, and I'm going to select this path variable. After that, click on edit, and here you have to mention that terraform.exe complete path. So I'm going to select this path, copy, then come back to over here, click on new, and here just paste that particular path. Okay, that path can be anything, so you can actually create any name to that particular folder and you can save that anywhere in your laptop or your desktop. So once you have this, click on OK, and let's apply this one. Now you have to open your command prompt. So let me quickly maximize this. Okay, and here you have to type Terraform -version, and here you can see that it's clearly showing me Terraform version 1.0.0 is successfully installed and it's detected that version. So this is how you can actually download Terraform and set up the Terraform in your further coding. So we'll see in the next video how to install Azure CLI.